Hey everybody, I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on Storify in case you haven't used it. I think the easiest way to log into Storify is to first log into Twitter. So you will log into the Newsnet Nebraska Twitter account because we're going to be using the Storify Newsnet Nebraska Storify account. So the password and login are on your assignment or on the Newsnet uploading guide. So log into Twitter first, then log into Storify, then log in with Twitter. That's probably the easiest way to get to the site. Then you will see this screen. You can notice that you are on the Newsnet Nebraska Storify account. Go ahead and click New Story. So what you want to do here is grab all of your tweets from your live tweet assignment and place them chronologically. So from the first one to the last one. As you know, on Twitter, it comes in the opposite. And I'd like to look at your tweets chronologically. So go ahead and name it probably a headline like you're writing a story. So let's say you're going to cover a Husker baseball game. Okay, go ahead and then put your byline here. And then you need to come and find your tweets. I think this is why it's very important to try to do this right away. It's just going to make it easier for you, and I'll talk about that why in a minute. Okay, so you want to capture tweets. So you are going to go to the user, which is Newsnet Nebraska. And this will pull up the last 20 results. So let's assume that these are your tweets. If that's all of them, you can just add them all, which honestly is an easier way to do it. Let's say it's not all of them. You have 5 more. Go ahead and hit Show More Results. Now you're up to 39. You can go ahead and add all of them if you want. Or you can, if there were only 5 and you knew there were only 5, you could just add the 20 and then individually pull them in. I'll show you how to do that. But let's say I want to add them all, which honestly is a lot easier. Now, I want these to be in the right order, and so I want the oldest first. So, chronologically. Now, let's say these at the top here were not my tweets. Mine start, a couple more in. So let's just say your tweets start here. Okay? We've got them in chronological order. You might just look through and make sure they're all there. If they are, those are all yours, and they look like they're in the right order. You are good to go then. and you can hit publish. Once you hit publish, that will give you a URL. Go ahead and copy that URL and post that in your reflection and upload it to Blackboard. Let's go back for a minute and let me just show you, because this could happen. It could happen that you are tweeting at the same time somebody else is on the account. Highly unlikely, but it could happen. So you can then just go in individually and pull your tweets. And it might be a good idea to do them not chronologically. Because you can reorder them here. It's totally up to you, however you want. You just need to make sure that they are oldest to newest chronologically in this draft. Let's say you're done, then go ahead and publish. And this will publish it to the Newsnet Nebraska Storify site. So you just need to make sure you have a headline that kind of tells what the story was about, your byline. You don't have to have anything else. You don't have to explain anything. It will just be your live tweets. Then take that URL, copy it, post it, copy it to a Word doc with the reflection and post it to upload it to Blackboard. That is it. If you obviously did use a hashtag and you used it on every tweet, that would be another way you could search. If the Twitter stream for the Newsnet account was a problem to pull in your tweets, that could be another way. Otherwise, I think just using user should get you going. Great. Let me know if you have any questions.